I have punched out all the pieces and I'm putting them in little neat bags like this so that they can be kept according to the labels in the instruction manual. I think the Micro R press is ideal for what I call the printmaking teachers in a box. It's a kind of a gamified introduction to printmaking for kids and grown-ups. So now we're ready for step number 2, which is to take those instructions and cut them apart so that we can put the instructions themselves into their little bags so that they're all in order.